Dear students, nature and God have given wings to birds to fly, to soar high in the sky. Birds' world is very, very vast. They can fly swiftly or slowly as per their wish, anywhere in the sky, above the clouds, below the clouds, above the trees, above hills, above the sea, above rivers, anywhere. But if these free birds are kept in a cage, then what is their luck? Theirs is bad luck. They have to live just like a captive. They cannot come out of the cage as per their wish. That's why it is not good to keep birds inside the cages. Birds inside the cages become very sad. They don't sing willingly. Whatever they sing sorrowfully. So, viewers, let the birds fly free. Let them enjoy their free life, their vast life in the sky, on the trees. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you very much. See you.